Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of this logo that was totally messed up. So if you haven't watched the first logo, you might want to watch that. Well, you do want to watch it because you will be totally confused. Anyway, this logo had many problems, and I have repaired it, and so we're going to kind of put it back. Now, one thing I didn't like about this, um, he evidently uh, did this later, besides this. So this is correct, with the exception it's got a problem right here. There's two different size lines. So what I suggest doing, and the way I would fix it, would be to just get rid of this, and I've got my nudge factor set on 2 inches. Take this, get your shape tool. We need to break it apart. Get your shape tool and see these four. I don't know if you can see them. These 4 nodes. Well, trust me, there's 4 nodes right there. Grab them. Hold down your control button. Evidently. Okay, I need to break it apart more. This isn't going to work. That's going to turn it all black. Shape tool. Okay, now I can see the 4 nodes. Grab the 4 nodes, hold down the control button, and move. Move these 4 nodes to the end of his added on drawing. Okay, now you've got a good crisp line. Now we are missing a line in between them, and if you wanted a line, you would just hold down the control button and draw a line, turn it to 1500 millimeter or 1.5, and I have no clue. That's pretty good. You could move it over just a hair. And so we've got the logo fixed, finished, ready to go. But his first question was he wanted to put a contour line around the whole thing. So we're going to group this together, and we're going to make a duplicate, Control D, and we're going to move it down. Always make a duplicate when you're doing this, just to play around. Now we're going to break it totally apart, and we're going to try to get rid of this garbage. See, that other line is still there. But that's really what we want, right there. Now we can delete all this. Let's break it apart. Let's break curve apart. It's going to turn it all black, but that's fine. We'll left click, right click on red. Now, since a curve is apart, we don't want any of this inner junk. And see, there's still some junk right there. We just want to delete. So what we can do is possibly take our outline and move it out. There we go. We're almost there. Trust me. Now we're going to contour. Go up to Effects, Contour, make the contour black so you can tell the difference. Go up to Arrange, break contour apart, zoom in so you just get the black, move it out of the way. We don't need this anymore. Turn our contour into a red hairline so you'll be able to see it, and your laser will cut it. And somehow I must have moved it over at one point. And normally when you use the nudge factor, but I got real lucky because it snapped to it. Now we're done. We've got a good cleanable, and I'm just going to send him this file because it's too many steps to go through to fix it. But we've got a good cleanable, engravable product with a red hairline contour, and then you can just double check it and make sure there's no hairlines in it. I would break it apart and just kind of group it all. and it's got no outline color, so we're good. Anyway, I know that was a little bit much on both videos, but maybe you learned something, and thank you for watching.